Welcome back to MovieVox channel. Today, we're diving into the world of instant photography with a closer look at the Fujifilm Instax Mini 7S. With the rise of digital photography and smartphone cameras, you might be wondering, is it still worth getting an instant camera in 2024? Let's explore what makes the Instax Mini 7S a popular choice and whether it holds up in today's tech-savvy world. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 7S is a compact, easy-to-use instant camera. It's designed for those who love the tangible feel of printed photos, bringing a sense of nostalgia and excitement to modern photography. But is it still relevant in 2024? The Instax Mini 7S has a retro-inspired design that's both stylish and functional. It comes in several colors. The camera is lightweight, weighing around 320 grams without batteries, making it perfect for carrying around. The Instax Mini 7S features a 60mm f1 to 12.7 lens, which provides a fixed focus from 0.6 meters to infinity. This means you don't need to worry about adjusting the focus, just point and shoot. The camera also has a built-in flash with an effective range of 0.6 to 2.7 meters. Taking photos with the Instax Mini 7S is simple and fun. Just turn the camera on by pulling out the lens, adjust the brightness dial according to your environment, and press the shutter button to capture your moment. The camera features an automatic exposure measurement system, which sets the aperture automatically to match the lighting conditions, ensuring your photos are correctly exposed. The photo will print out instantly, and within approximately 90 seconds, you'll have a fully developed picture in your hands. Each print measures 62mm by 46mm. Here are some tips and tricks to get the best out of your Instax Mini 7S. For sharp and clear photos, hold the camera steady and make sure your subject is well lit. The camera's fixed focus lens works best for subjects within the 0.6 to 2.7 meter range. So keep this in mind when framing your shots. So, is it still worth getting an instant camera in 2024? The Fujifilm Instax Mini 7S brings a unique blend of nostalgia and modern convenience. In an age where digital photos are ubiquitous and often fleeting, there's something special about having a physical print you can hold and share. It offers a tactile experience and a way to create lasting memories that digital photos just can't match.
This is the Fuji Instant Mini 7S, a camera that can make a picture and give you directly the results. Very simple, only some controller. Yeah, very nice. Power and power off.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MovieVox channel for more reviews and tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the Instax Mini 7S, or if there's another camera you'd like me to review. Happy snapping! Ciao!